Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. I am Priyanka Ojha. Today we are going to start a new lesson in English grammar. Lesson number 4, verbs, saying words. As the name says, verbs are the saying words. This means when we are telling something about what is going on, or when we say what we are doing, then those words are known as verbs. In this lesson, I am going to first tell you something about a girl named Nikki. निक्की दिन भर क्या करती है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. You can see the pictures and you can understand the sentences. First, Nikki waters the plants. After that, she eats an apple. Then, she also washes her bike. After that, she writes a letter to her grandmother. Later, she goes to take a bath. And finally, she reads a book. So, in these sentences, I have told you about Nikki. So, every sentence you can see here, every sentence is telling something about or saying something about the girl Nikki. So, these words which are written in red color are the verbs. You can again see the sentences. First, Nikki waters the plant. So, waters is the verb. Then she eats an apple. She also washes her bike. She writes a letter to her grandmother. Later, she goes to take a bath. Finally, she reads a book. So, all these words waters, eats, washes, writes, goes, reads. All these words are verbs. So, they are telling about the object. So, these are the saying words. We are saying something about a person. Verbs are also known as action words. Why they are called action words? Because they are telling something about the action which is going on. Like laughing, dancing, running, cooking. These words are telling something about what action is being performed. So these words are all verbs. You can see some more examples around you like this. Now, why verbs are important? Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. अगर हम verbs को यूज नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा sentence complete नहीं होगा. इसलिए verbs important हैं ताकि हमारा sentence complete हो सके. Now, definition of verb. All doing or saying words are verbs. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमें किसी चीज़ को करने के बारे में या कुछ कहने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें वर्ब्स कहते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी द ing verbs. When we want to say something which is going on or when we are talking about present tense, we use ing verbs. Verbs क्या शो करता है? Verb shows what a subject does, says, has or is. वर्ब हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के बारे में ये बताता है कि वो क्या कर रहा है, क्या कह रहा है, उसके पास क्या है या वो क्या है, खुद वो क्या है. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स को हम वर्ब कहते हैं. सो हियर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आर द आईएनजी वर्ब्स. नाउ द आईएनजी वर्ब्स will be having suffix ing at the end. So they will be known as ing verbs. And ing verbs are also showing the action which is happening. उसी समय पे अगर कोई सा काम हो रहा है तो उस एक्शन को बताने वाले वर्ड्स ing verbs होंगे. Here you can see an example. Eat. जब हम कुछ खाते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं eat. लेकिन हम खा रहे हैं तो उसे कैसे बोलेंगे? Eating. Like Ram is eating, Sita is eating. So here we are saying the verb in ing form because the work is going on at present. So here you can understand it clearly. Eat is the verb and when ing is added then the eating word is formed. This is the ing verb. So now we will understand helping verbs. Helping verbs are not the main verbs. Like in these sentences, you can see Martha is studying in her room. And the second sentence is grandfather was praying in his room. So in these two sentences, is and was are the helping verbs. Why? Because studying and praying are the main verbs. जो काम वो कर रहे हैं, जो एक्शन हो रहा है, वो स्टडिंग और प्रेइंग से पता चल रहा है. लेकिन इज एंड वॉज आर ऑल्सो द helping verbs. So here helping verbs are not main verbs. They are used before the verbs that are ending with ed or ing. Now we will see some examples which will help you to understand the difference between helping verbs and main verb. So here it is the example. I am enjoying a beautiful scene at the seashore. So here am is the helping verb and the main verb is enjoying. So now let's see the next example. A little while ago, a few children were playing on the beach. Here the main verb is playing. So where is the helping verb? Hope you have understood the difference. Now when helping verbs are talked about, be sure that the helping verbs are never main verbs. So helping verbs are different and main verbs are different. Like is and was are the helping verbs and main verbs are raining and playing. But when we use these verbs together, like is raining, so here the helping verb and main verb is used together, so it will be called a verb phrase. Similarly, was playing, so it is also a verb phrase. So hope you have now understood what is the difference between the helping verb and main verb and what are verb phrase. So students, this lesson is complete now. Thank you.